Okay, this is the Benelli TRK700. This is a new product, and this is the test motorcycle which we are going to ride today. This is the X version, off-road version. It's pretty comfortable. I am 175 and my feet can touch the ground, and the windshield is almost to my chest, so the wind shouldn't be too much problem. The keys are illuminating and okay. 是英文也有吗？英文音乐都现在是中文。哦，可以。
哪里个？放到哪里？
可以，对，这个可以。还有我可以去看，对。
不对嘛？
还有上面。对，还有一个。
啊
，OK， 对，可以，现在可以啊，谢谢您。Okay, the bike is not in the best shape. As you can see, the handlebar is a little bit lean toward the right side, so yeah, the bike got damaged, but you can also see the engine work relatively smooth and the bike is torquey. Good amount of power in the first gear and not bad. Yeah, as you can see, in a low RPM the bike is a little tall, but you can easily manage the riding in low speed. The bike is very stable. The bike has a really comfortable seat, and the seat is so soft. This is really noticeable. And let me put the bike in the third gear, and even in the third gear you can slowly ride. It's not bad. There are kids in here. Not too much gas. It's better to go back to the as you can see, it's a good bike. It's not perfect. The weight is around 220, 230, but if I had the boxes, then I guess it was much more difficult to handle the bike. So overall it's not bad, but let's see. 去上面吗？ It's not touch screen, so it has some older style in the top and also some new one, the TFT. Yeah, as you can see, it's already got damaged. The bike looks nice, not bad. The seat is really soft, and the tank is 18 liters. So yes, I was saying if you don't go too fast, around 300 to 400 kilometers. The bike already had a camera, and overall it's good.
It's in neutral.